He did not resign. Nnamdikanu kick him off because he's a betrayer. He's the one that betrayed Nnamdikanu. Ejiofor is the one masterminded the killing of Ikoso and the others. Gentle Lion and others. Ejiofor, who put Nnamdikanu where he is? Ejiofor, I think you are part of IPOB, the people that are struggling for IPOB. Restoration of Biafra. What made you to drop? Ejiofor, where the structure Nnamdikanu live in your hand? Are you not IPOB lawyer, official? Where are you now? Are you for IPOB or are you for Nigeria? Are you for Biafra? Are you for Nigeria? If someone Ekpa is a criminal, is a fraudster, if someone is a deceiver, which means Nnamdikanu is also a deceiver. Which means Nnamdikanu also is a fraudster. Which means Nnamdikanu also is a liar. Ejiofor was talking that you cannot achieve independence by violence or by force. But I'm trying to I'm repeating it, trying to remind him that even Britain that colonized Nigeria, Britain was under Roman Empire, as Biafra was under Nigeria. Britain forcefully put themselves away from Roman Empire aggressively with gun, with the sword. With the sword. They fought Roman Empire and separate themselves from Roman Empire. I'm Mr. Ekpa, the new Okoko them. Regard for what some Ejiofor, Ejiofor have tweeted or have posted in the air, that Ekpa is a fraudster, Ekpa is this, Ekpa is that, is a criminal. Ejiofor, I want to ask you, wherever you are, can anybody deliver this my question to him? Ejiofor, what made Nnamdikanu to drop you? Are you not the chief counsel of Nnamdikanu? What made him to drop you? Ejiofor, if you are good, what made Nnamdikanu to drop you? What keep you running away?
Were you sure he was not the one that resigned?
He did not resign. Nnamdikanu kick him off because he's a betrayer. He's the one that betrayed Nnamdikanu. Ejiofor is the one masterminded the killing of Ikoso and the others. Gentle Lion and others. Ejiofor, who put Nnamdikanu where he is? Ejiofor, I think you are part of IPOB, the people that are struggling for IPOB. Restoration of Biafra. What made you to drop? Ejiofor, where the structure Nnamdikanu live in your hand? Are you not IPOB lawyer, official? Where are you now? Are you for IPOB or are you for Nigeria? Are you for Biafra? Are you for Nigeria? If someone Ekpa is a criminal, is a fraudster, if someone is a deceiver, which means Nnamdikanu is also a deceiver. Which means Nnamdikanu also is a fraudster. Which means Nnamdikanu also is a liar. Because it was what Nnamdikanu was doing that someone Ekpa pick up doing it when you betrayed him. Which means you yourself, you are once a fraudster, you are once a criminal, you are once a deceiver, because you are once a member of IPOB. What made you to drop? Now your eye have opened. That time you don't know what you are doing. Now you know what you are doing. That's why you leave those dirty games. And now you are on the right game. Ejiofor, oh, it's a pity. This one have shown that you're a shameless person. If you can come out and criticize agitators, you're a shameless person because you are part of the agitators. What made you to run away? Can't you borrow a copy from Ejiofor? You see how Ejiofor did his own. He collected his own money and go and keep rest. Ejiofor, why can't you go and keep rest in peace? Go and keep rest. Leave Nnamdikanu, leave someone Ekpa alone, because someone Ekpa is exposing you, frustrating you not to deceive Biafrans, frustrating you not to betray the remaining Biafrans as you betrayed Nnamdikanu. This is why he's a bad person. Ejiofor, Go and watch. The convention is going on now in Finland. Convention is going on now in Finland. And the Simon Ekpa said, from 29th of this November, which is today, tomorrow, 30, Saturday, 1st, Sunday, 2nd, Monday, people go back to their businesses. Go to Finland, country now. Everywhere is jam-packed. The Biafrans all over the world have booked the whole hotel in Finland. Do you know how many foreign exchange Finland got because of Biafra restoration, declaration, and this convention that is going on? Do you know how many foreign exchange that Finland have realized because of Biafra's trooping in there? Are you not ashamed? You're supposed to be there as one of the Biafran lawyers, but you are in Nigeria, jumping up and down, running from Abuja to Ihiala, Abuja to Ihiala, eating the crops that fall for your master's table. Don't worry, very soon, immediately Biafra is restored. All of you that collect money, all of you that collect money from federal government, they will take EFCC, come after you people. Because your assignment, you're not able to accomplish it. You're not able to stop Biafra. They are using you as a tool to stop Biafra. You are not able to stop Biafra. Therefore, all the whole money you people collected, the Nigerian government will take EFCC, collect it back from your hand. Look at your client, Nnamdikanu. You that is a good man. You that is not a deceiver. Look at your client, Nnamdikanu, like you should in prison. They're not able to do anything.
But he said, why he's saying all this? Because he has told Ekpa, but he fails to listen that.
Ejiofor was talking that you cannot achieve independence by violence or by force. But I'm trying to repeat, I'm repeating it, trying to remind him that even Britain that colonized Nigeria, Britain was under Roman Empire, as Biafra was under Nigeria. Britain forcefully put themselves away from Roman Empire aggressively with gun, with the sword. With the sword. They fought Roman Empire and separate themselves from Roman Empire. Although with the sword, Roman Empire overpowered them, include them to the Roman Empire. And who started Roman Empire? Julius Caesar. German. This German was the first country to pull away from Roman Empire. And German fought with the Roman Empire. That time Britain was still among Roman Empire. German alone was the first country who rose up and said no, that they are pulling away from Roman Empire. They fought. When Roman Empire discovered that they cannot subdue German, they go away and leave German. After that, Britain. Then that is how other countries separate from Roman Empire. 10 countries came out from Roman Empire. I can remember few that I can mention few I remember, like this German, France, Italy, Portugal, Spain, Britain. I think Sweden was among them that separated. These people, even though this current Sweden, former Sweden, there are 3 nations that separate out of Sweden before Sweden became what they are now, and all of them go to violence. They were telling that you cannot achieve independence or liberation through violence. It depends what your colonial masters want. If your colonial master want what with the violence, you follow them with the violence. If they want it with the peaceful, you follow them with peaceful. Like I have said it before, Singapore and Malaysia, we are one nation. They got independence from Britain under Malaysia in 1957. But what happened? At the end, Singapore rise up and said, I think 1979, Singapore rise up, said they won't go. The then Malaysian government in power called them, what do you want? They said they don't want to be under Malaysia again. They settle it to Georgia, they go peacefully, amicably. Now, Singapore is prospering. Malaysia is prospering. Nigeria going to 2 of them doing their importation. Now there are 2 nations. Can you see it? It's only people like that separated peacefully. Most of the European countries, get their own independence through violence. America get independence from Britain through violence, led by George Washington, through violence. That's what I'm saying. There's somebody call himself a learned man, cannot differentiate what independence is for. How many countries get their independence through palatable soup? Algeria get their independence from France 1962 through violence, very strong violence. So they said when France want to leave, France get angry and destroy everything they put in Algeria. There's an area like France quarters where only white men from France are living. Very, just like more than estate. More than estate. Almost like a local government. When France want to leave, they have nothing to do than to take artillery. Pim, 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 destroy whatever they build over there. Algeria, let Ifan Yuba go and do research. You cannot get it defended through violence. You cannot get the agitation through violence. Look at him, a learned man. Cannot differentiate the way to go to independent. Angola, get independent from South Africa. When Portuguese hand them over to South Africa through violence. They fought. Mozambique get their own through violence. They fought. Up at the end through violence in South Africa. They fought. When the apparatus were killing South Africans, South Africa was there only singing and crying, clapping their hand, singing and crying, clapping their hand, singing and crying. The apartheid at the end, apartheid did not end until when blacks carry gun. When blacks carry gun, themselves carry gun, like the whites, apartheid at the end. How did it end? One Sunday, the blacks enter in Anglican church in South Africa, where is only white are worshiping. They killed 250 worshippers within 2 hours. They killed all of them. This is what makes white say, these people have carried gun as we are carrying. No matter what happened, they are more in population than us. They will finish us, no matter how we carry the sophistication. And we cannot use a atomic bomb or nuclear on them. Because South Africa is the only Africa now that has nuclear weapon. They said they cannot do it unto them. Do you understand? So Ejiofor should go and read more. If he cannot read, as he call himself barrister, I think he's supposed to learn history. Because every lawyer we study history. And if he cannot study, let him come. I will teach him. Let him come for adult education.
He said,
to me, I will teach him.
He said Ekpa has been deceiving, defrauding the people by giving them that he wants to build a stadium, he wants to buy a fighter jet, he wants to, buy a warship, to combat with the Nigerian government. But he knows that he's already deceiving himself. But as long as
all those things are propaganda, blasphemy.
He said that's what Ekpa was doing.
No, Ekpa did not say so.
He said that's what
Ekpa did not. Ekpa said he will match. Okay, if Ekpa says so, look at different league. Black Scorpion, Red Scorpions in Venezuela, Bakassi, where Biafran have collected from Cameroon. Is there no Biafran Navy there? Are they not fighting Cameroon, pushing Cameroon away? Biafran League and Red Scorpion or Red Marine, are they there terrorizing Cameroon, fighting Cameroon, pushing them away? Even Nigeria, any tank that coming to Nigeria to succor you doesn't cross to that place. Nigeria themselves doesn't cross to that place because that place does not belong to Cameroon and they have collected it from Cameroon. Now, what do you want? Oh, when somebody we buy submarine and space carrier, that time if Ejiofor do that, somebody have said. Somebody did not say we buy fighter jet. He did not say we buy a warship, but somebody say he will do what? He will make sure that Biafrans are not exterminated, he will do everything to defend Biafrans. What is Ejiofor doing? Even that Biafrans that somebody is defending, Ejiofor is among the Biafrans. Ejiofor cannot deny that he's not an Igbo man. Ejiofor cannot deny that he's not Biafra. You understand? This is why he destroyed his place in Hiala. This is why Ejiofor destroyed his place in Hiala, killing the Hiala people to prove someone Ekpa wrong. Ejiofor should go and do research. Meanwhile, Ejiofor, someone Ekpa is not in prison. No. You abandon Nnamdikanu. What made you to abandon Nnamdikanu? What made you not to defend Nnamdikanu again? Is it love of money? How many ESN members you betray? Love of money. A whole barrister. Abandon your client overnight. You are not talking of him again. You are not appearing in court to visit your client again. Is it a shameful thing? Is it not a shameful thing? Look at Aloy Ejumako, Maxwell, Okpara, the other man. They're up to 3 or 5. I have forgotten their name. They are wasn't strong. Attending court anytime. Do whatever they will do for Nnamdikanu to come out. You, that is the lead counsel. The lead counsel overnight, Nnamdikanu kick you off. Is it not a shameful thing unto you? Are you good? Someone Ekpa is better than you. Can you go and confuse the whole? Okay, someone Ekpa is a fraudster. Ejiofor, what have you done to portray the image of Biafra outside the world? Look at now. Go to Finland now. See what is happening. Biafra convention. Even a whole woman is far better than you. Act well. Look at since someone went to special assignment on behalf of Biafrans like you, and on behalf of Biafran government in exile. If someone went on special assignment to discuss and more, to make the whole world to know that Biafra is existing. Dr. Lady Ngozi Orabeze, Biafran chief of staff, pick it up. You do not allow the people to say, oh, where is someone Ekpa? What happened? She pick it up. Stand firmly to make sure the convention took place, to make sure Biafra declaration took place. If Ejiofor, all this you are saying, if the declaration did not take place on this December 2nd, because of some people have run away, some people cannot be able to do it, then I will agree with you that what you say concerning someone is truth. But if you hold whether someone is around or not around, if the declaration of Biafra is done, then whenever Biafra stand fully, wherever Biafra call you, answer them. Wherever they call you, answer them. Because you give account of all this insult. You are insulting a whole prime minister of Biafra. You give account of it.
But he said December 2 will come and to go uneventfully.
Okay. December 2nd. Excuse me.
That's why the declaration be sacrosanct. That will not come.
December 2nd will come and pass. People will not die. Someone did not say people will die. Someone should not say 2nd of December, heaven will fall on earth. Someone did not say so. But he said he will declare, Biafra restoration will be declared that very day. Whether someone came out to declare it, whether someone did not come out to declare it, Biafra government in exile will declare it. That is why you have government. When the head of state is not there, then the second will take over and perform the duty of the head of state or perform the duty of president. When United Nations this summit went on, this one Shetima went and represent Nigeria. I think Mr. President Ahmed Bola is there. He was in Nigeria. He did not travel, but he sent the Shetima vice president to go and represent Nigeria. Now, can anybody say because Tinubu did not appear, therefore what Shetima go there is not for Nigeria. He don't represent Nigeria. He don't speak on behalf of Nigeria. That's how it is. Someone may assign it because of special duty he went. He may assign it to his second. He come and do declaration. The same thing. It was Philip Effiong after Ojukwu left. It was Philip Effiong that bring Biafra to Lagos to come and sign the hostility to stop. Can go on and say because it's not Ojukwu, he will not accept what offer Philip Effiong offer him. The government says so. Eh? Then what is wrong? Is it compulsory that somebody will be speaking with the hammer? Someone may have a good structure. He laid down, and they have a good people in the cabinet of Biafra government in exile. Not like people like you, Nnamdikanu, leave structure in your hand. You will destroy it, running up and down, running from Abuja to your houses, Abuja to your houses. Look at agitators. Look at them, agitators. DOS, look at them, agitators, whom government cannot terrorize. Now you have become agent of government. The government you are accusing, the government you say you will fight to restore Biafra. Look at you, Ejiofor, you're not ashamed of yourself. Barrister cannot defend his client, abandon his client. You are not ashamed. You run away. Run away, barrister. Run away, barrister. Barrister, master of abandonment. You abandon Nnamdikanu. Master of denial, master of betrayal. Worse than Judas. May God have mercy upon Biafra and let Biafra be restored in Jesus' name. Then we know whom is who.
Yeah.
I said they should shut up their mouth. They don't know what they're saying. They're hypocrites. They're betrayers. They're misleaders. But look at the people say they are speaking for Igbos. They are fighting for Igbos. Some and the people fed their wrath. Do you know that without Ohanes and Igbo, federal government of Nigeria, without Igbo politicians, federal government of Nigeria could not have moved to that extent for Finland to convince Finland to arrest Samonepa. But I pity Finland. If they do anything evil against the city they call, if someone will go to jail, I'm telling you honestly, judgment of God will be against Finland. I'm telling you, God is in heaven. You cannot betray a person like this. They cannot do it. If they do, they should face for the wrath of God. If Finland tries to play any foul against someone, they will face the wrath of God. I will come mounting for them. I cannot be gone, but I will come mounting for them. I saying it. Forget about what Nigeria is doing. You know the annoyance of me with the Finland now. Why can't you denounce someone at initial stage? I am Mr. Paradeli Okokonde. I thank God for everything that is going on. Look at Ohanes and Igbo. They're speaking from Anus. Do they think that everybody will become word like them? Who are these Ohanes and Igbo? A handful of people paid by government of Nigeria to come on the paper writing nonsense. If they are not getting from government of Nigeria, why should they allow the people to be killing? Now, someone is hampering the economy of Southeast. One operation pattern that took place is someone cause it. Operation Crocodile's man, someone cause it. Military checkpoint is someone cause it. What kind of caution is Odima that want to bring IDP in Biafra land? In Aladibo, they say they're defending. What do they say? How do they caution Uzodima? By bringing people from Sahel to come and occupy the land of the people, pursue the indigenous away. What do Ohanes and Igbo say? After Ohanes and Igbo, who considered you to speak for Igbo? Who considered Ohanes and Igbo to what constitution hold them? What constitution in Igbo land hold the Ohanes and Igbo to speak for us? Don't want a bunch of cowards coming to speak nonsense. Okay, the people who declare Biafra, they're on their own. No mandate for them to declare Biafras. Do they have the mandate? The consequences that come out of it, they should get. The one They and Nigerian government push someone, and they want the consequence. So someone face up. Make the leave up. When the time come, let the people face the consequence. Make them do their own. People who declare Biafra in Finland, do not call them, do not beg them, do not ask them to defend them. Let them put their mouth into their purse and face the crumbs that were falling out from their master's table. Let them continue to eat their crumbs. They should leave Biafrans alone. Now, they don't have mandate to represent Biafra in Rome and diaspora. But look at Biafra come from all corners of the world. Biafras come from all corners of the world and meet at Finland and declare Biafra. And you say they are not representing Biafra in diaspora. Biafras at home, we are happy, jubilating. Biafra at home, cast the vote of referendum. Biafras at home, cast it. What do they say? What do they do? I say they are not. Okay, you that are representing the Biafras at home. Okay, let us say you are not in diaspora, you are not outside Nigeria. You are to home, represent the Biafra at home. What will you do when Fulani herdsmen came to kill them? The killing in Enugu last time, what Ohanaeze Ndigbo do? Where did they petition it? Okay, they said that federal government we are integrating the Boko Haram that carried gun. You see, ESN, DOS, dismantled. How many of them that the federal government reintegrated into the society? That you are proud that Boko Haram that carried gun, they reintegrated into the society. What of your own ESN that we are guarding the forest, that they disarm? How many of them return back to federal service? You say you are doing good, you are speaking for Igbos.
They said, in terms of education and the economy there in the southeast, Ekpa has brought so much backwardness, has put scar and pains in the minds and the heart of the Biafrans.
Approved scars and death. Since 1966, since 1970 war ended, is this someone that made them no wharf functioning in that area? Port Harcourt wharf is not functioning. Akwa Ibom seaport is not functioning. Calabar seaport is not functioning. Warri seaport is not functioning. Koko seaport is not functioning. Is this someone that all these are they not part of economy? Enugu airport that Jonathan upgrade to international airport, someone made it to stop, not functioning.
But that's what they're trying to say. They said with Ekpa violence and aggression.
Have Ekpa rise up before all those things stop functioning?
He said the government will not even put their.
I said they should shut up their mouth. They don't know what they're saying. They're hypocrites.